What more do you think is on the road ahead?
Well, we managed to gather most of the materials we need to build our transmission structure for receiving the telluric waves.
Mm-hmm.
So we've gathered up several miles of wire and a number of poles and a lot of bundles of cross arms, about thousands of insulators, and so now we're ready pretty soon to start putting the first one together.
Mm-hmm.
We have another one that's the telephone lines are already partially intact, so we're working on that one also, but that's like a secondary process. And then we've also been given a 5-mile underground cable facility to experiment with, and that
really?
that one we're already starting to receive signals out of.
So it's already operational?
Well, it's inherently operational because the cable's already there, and it's paired out so that we can start hooking receiving devices to it. I demonstrated it should be coming out pretty soon that an AM radio receives a lot better out of the traveling waves that are flowing in the underground cable than it does with its own antenna structure in the air above ground. So it
Really?
shows
better
that
transmission.
the AM radio, as I've always been pointing out, the AM radio tower transmits 2 signals. It transmits a telluric one into the Earth, and it transmits an electromagnetic one into the boundary between the Earth and the ionosphere. This analysis of telluric waves, which required the development of very special receiving equipment, very special antennas. It was also a facility for studying high-frequency waves in the ionosphere, which again required massive antenna structures, required very special receivers that either have to be custom built or, like the ones that I have from RCA, they have to be specifically designed for this purpose. They occupy 4 or 5 bays of equipment, several hundred vacuum tubes or thousands and thousands of transistors. I had a parts inventory valued at least $500,000. I had every resistor, capacitor, transformer, coil, tube, socket, connector, wire, all military or telephone. There was no Radio Shack junk or